Our first of 12 preliminary races for the 17 and 18-year-old young men 400-meter dash. The top 8 times will advance to tomorrow's final. This first heat, lane 1, Derek Garner. 2, Brandon Lynn. 3, Jimmy Williams. 4, Kenneth White Jr. 5, Lamarck Davis. 6, Vontae Booker. 7, Keegan Hughes. And in lane 8, Alex Watley. As they come off the bend, approaching the stretch, Vontae Booker, Grandview, Missouri in lane 6. Booker will set the standard for the remaining 11 heats. His time, 48 flat. The national record, ladies and gentlemen, set in 2012 by Aldrich Bailey of Arlington, Texas, 45-45. Heat 2, Rufus Mitchell IV, Nicholas Miranda, Xavier Parker, Josiah McInnes, Javon Wallace, Kevin Boyce Jr., and Michael Muir. Lane 6, Javon Wallace, 4th in the 15 and 16-year-old championship race last year, as well as in the 200. This is Josiah McInnes of Amarillo, Texas, with the lead. Wallace in 6. In 2, that's Nicholas Miranda, Tinley Park, Illinois. McInnes, 49.83. Heat 3 underway. Lane 1, Jamal Dennis. In 2, Melvin Ivey Jr. 3, Cole Johnson. 4, Jermaine Holt. Lane 5, Isaiah Cole. 6, Cameron Waldo. 7, Dalen Foster. And in lane 8, Ian Cheng. Lane 5, Isaiah Cole, St. Louis, Missouri. So be Cole, 47.62 for Cole, our fastest time thus far. Heat 4, lane 1, Adam Blackstock II. 2, Miles Scott. In 3, Tyreek Sapp. Lane 4, Terrence Mullings. In 6, Vladimir Theophile. 7, Michael Chavaria. 8, Jordan Drummond. Lane 4, Terrence Mullings of Dallas, Texas. Mullings moving up the home stretch. Mullings officially 47-34, taking over the lead, fastest time today. Heat number 5, lane 2, Khalil Wassel. 3, Chauncey Holston. 4, Jordan Hollis. Lane 5, Douglas Bryan. In 7, Delano Anderson. In 8, Dante Armstrong. This is Georgia Stars in lane 3. This is Douglas Bryan, Round Rock, Texas, in lane 5. Coming around in 4, Jordan Hollis of Lancaster, Texas.
33. Ladies and gentlemen, in the 17-18
It's Hollis in 4, Bryan in 5.
Elena McDonald.
Nudge ahead now, Jordan Hollis. 47-79 for Hollis. Heat 6, lane 3, John Maas. 4th, Devay Brooks. He was 4th in the 800 final this week. 5, Avery Williams. In 6, Andre Jeff. 7, Jalen Martin. And in lane 8, Cameron Dill. Big push up the stretch, lane 3, that's John Maas of San Antonio, Texas. To his right, lane 5, Avery Williams of Katy, Texas. Avery Williams, 47-76 over Maas, 47-88. Heat 7, lane 4, Aaron Robinson. In 5, Jaden Johnson. Lane 7, Justin Davis. And in 8, Daniel Smith. Coming up the track in 5, that's Jaron Johnson, Louisville, Texas. Aaron Robinson in 4, Brandywine, Maryland. Robinson 47-75, Johnson 47-79. Heat 8, Andrew Vendrone, Matthew Parker, Sean Hooper, and Kawan Slayton. That's Vendrone in 4, Parker in 5, Hooper in 6, Slayton in 8. Lane 6, Sean Hooper, Fort Worth, Texas, leading the field up the stretch. Hooper, 47.03, our new leader. Heat number 9, lane 2, Kenyatta Mason the second. In 3, Chan Sawyers, third in the 15 and 16-year-old championship group last year. Lane 4, Cameron Conyers, and in lane 7, Tyler Allen. Coming off the bend, this is Chan Sawyers of Greensboro, North Carolina in lane 3. Conyers, 47.19. Heat 10, lane 2, Breon Randall. Lane 3, Stanley Smith Jr. In 4, Jared Williams. Lane 6, Dominic Bynum. In 7, Keith Pippin. And in 8, Ryan Drenga. Stanley Smith Jr., Winter Haven, Florida in lane 3, leading the field through the bend. Smith up the stretch. That's Jared Williams of Houston, Texas in 4. This will be Smith. 48.73. Heat 11, lane 3, Thomas Alcorn. In 6, Tamonte Brown. 7, Anthony Morgan. And in lane 8, Nixon Pierre. Tamonte Brown, Houston, Texas in lane 6. Lane 3 from Waldorf, Maryland, Thomas Alcorn. Alcorn. This will be Thomas Alcorn. 47.79. Our final preliminary heat. Gerard Darby, Anthony Brooks, Joshua McCarro, Yusef Davis, Elijah Goodwin, Kevin Johnson, Tulu Badmus. Lane 6, Elijah Goodwin of Covington, Georgia. National record 45.45. This is Goodwin in lane 6. Goodwin, our top seed at 46.50.
That concludes today's competition. It is 4:37. The track will be open for practice for exactly 1 hour. That's until 5:37.